In this video, we are going to explain the types of succession. So we agreed that succession is the process by which communities colonize an ecosystem and are then replaced over time by other communities. And we have two types of succession: primary and secondary succession. Primary succession occurs when the starting point is a bare ecosystem. For example, following a volcanic eruption or a landslide. The pioneer species are usually lichen, moss, or algae. They are able to penetrate the bare surface, trap organic material, and begin to form humus. Over several generations, soil begins to form, and this soil can be used by a more diverse range of plants with deeper root systems. After that, gradually, larger and larger plants occupy the ecosystem along with a diversity of animals. Finally, a climax community is reached and the species present do not change unless the environment changes in some way. Let's take an example of primary succession forming an oak woodland. First, bare rock is colonized by mosses and lichen. Then, small plants, ferns, and grasses will take over. After that, larger plants with deeper roots start to appear. Now, bushes and shrubs replace the non-woody plants. After that, the fast-growing trees form a dense, low wood. Finally, larger, slow-growing oak trees create the oak woodland. And this is the primary succession.